Today I'll be using the Bodywork Wash Wax from AUTOGLYM. This is a 1 liter bottle. The instructions actually say to use 2 capfuls for every 2 gallons of water. So I'll be using this in a foam cannon, just test out the foam, and also in a bucket wash. So let's check out this car shampoo. Now I'm going to put, once again, 2 capfuls full of the car shampoo into 2 gallons of water. So just getting the bucket wash set up before we do the foam cannon. And what I always like to do is put the cap inside the bucket just so you maximize all the product in there. And now let's get ready for the foam cannon. For the foam cannon, I put in 3 ounces of the car shampoo into 15 ounces of warm water. You can quickly see that this is not a foaming car shampoo. I just stopped it. Now on to the bucket wash. If you're looking for a lot of suds, I didn't find too much of it, for this particular car shampoo as some other ones, but definitely not a deal breaker. I found it had great lubricity, just really easy to apply, of course, and just real slick. I really enjoyed using the product, and it was just a really good experience overall on this car. Now for the rinse, it was really easy to rinse off the car. Compared with some other products I've used, some of them you really had to keep rinsing to get all the suds out, but this one definitely not. The results look fantastic. This car shampoo I would definitely recommend. Look at the gloss on this car. This BMW is actually a 10-year-old vehicle at this time. It's a 2014. So you can definitely see how it really brings out the paint of this car. I would definitely recommend this car shampoo. Please ensure you click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks everyone for watching this video. God bless, and see you in the next one.